Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to change your ChatGPT username and profile picture on Android, iPhone and PC. This is complete step-by-step guide. So let's get started. So I am using ChatGPT in my Android phone. So just open the app and here you can get your profile picture and username. So just tap on it. Okay. Just if you want to change your profile picture, so just tap on your profile picture like this. And then here you can get the option to edit your profile picture. Tap on it and here you can get the option choose from gallery, or if you want to remove it, just tap on remove. So if you want to change the profile picture, tap on gallery option, and in the gallery you need to select your different profile picture. After selecting, it will change it automatically. Same thing if you want to change your username, from here you can easily able to change your username as well. So before changing, one important note guys, if you sign in using Google account or Apple ID, your name and photo may sync from there. To override that, okay, you can still edit name, photo inside ChatGPT or change your Google Apple picture to update everywhere. Okay, you need to remember this thing guys. Okay, so and that's it. That's how you can change your ChatGPT username and profile picture on your Android phone or iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching to SmartTech Junction.